really excited to bring you today the new upgraded version of the Tankless unit. Here we have a lawn setting over here, and this could be a garden. We've got the stormwater running into this filter here. This is a vertical adhesion screen filter which draws the water in vertically into the tank system. So it's an anti-blocking system. And what we've got in there at the moment is a diversion. So it's for a new build, we have a diversion that we put into the filter, so it stops any contaminants from getting into the tank system during the building process. So when you get the handover to the customer, you simply take out the insert, and there we go, the insert's out, and now the majority of the water is going into the tank system. So you're getting about 95% water going into this tank through this vertical screen filter. It's quite an ingenious system. So what it does is it draws water through these side vents, draws that in through vertical adhesion force, drawing it into the tank system. So it's an anti-clog system, so you don't need to clean this very often at all. So great little unit. It's packaged really nicely. We've got a gauge here to tell you how much water you've got in the system, submersible pump, and we also have a quick connection here that, 2 seconds we can pull that submersible pump out of the system. So we've got a tap over here that's running at the moment. So this system recycles your storm water, so any irrigation over this area will actually recycle back into the system, so you're reclaiming water, which is really an eco-conscious system that ticks all the boxes. Another great feature of the Tankless system is that we have a high overflow setting, so we don't need to set these deep in the ground like other tank systems where they need to put bulkheads or soil over top to lock them in. This is locked into the ground, can't pop out, which means that we can set up the overflow a lot higher, 200 mil from ground level, which is in line with existing pipelines. So we get a gravity flow out to the point of discharge. So you don't need a pumping station. It's going to save you about $5,000 on your new build or any sort of build, and there's no complications with it. So you don't have an alarm system that may break down or additional pumps that may need servicing down the track. Just a simple breed system. So give us a call, we'll come out and do a 21-point checklist with you, go over your site and work out which is going to be the best position to put the tank in.